Hello everybody, thanks for joining me today. I'm Jackie and I create mosaics using sea glass. And today I'm going to take you for a walk on the beach on a really windy day. So I just love going walking when the wind is really howling and the waves are crashing in. And the view as you walk along the shore here with the waves coming in and all those white caps, it's just spectacular. I just love it. And this is the type of day when you're thinking maybe all that wave and wind action is working to push a bunch of new sea glass up onto the beach. Here's hoping. So come along with me today and I'll see if I can find any sea glass along the beach. Just look at those waves. It's absolutely beautiful here today and the sun is shining. So what often happens here when the wind is blowing is that it blows all this sand up onto the beach. And I find when there's a lot of sand in, we often don't see a lot of sea glass. I think the sand comes in and it covers up all the gravel and then we don't see sea glass. So I'm still going to keep walking, haven't found anything so far. We'll see how the walk goes. So this is kind of cool. There's a little carcass of a tiny baby lobster. That's really tiny. It's kind of cool. And I do see a few pieces of sea glass. I may have some success here after all. And I did find one other piece of brown. We'll see. I'll keep on hunting. So sometimes the piece of sea glass is just sitting right on top of the sand. That's kind of cool. And it looks like I'm going to find more than brown and white today. There's a really pretty green piece. Very nicely finished and a nice dark shade of green. That one's lovely. There's quite the flock of seagulls up there today. Really neat to watch them on a day like today. The beach is just beautiful here today. So despite the fact that there's not a whole lot of sea glass, it is one incredible day for a walk along the shore. So beautiful. There's a piece that wasn't there when I walked down the beach, so the waves must have just thrown it in, but it's not quite done yet. So as much as it's a beautiful piece of sea glass, that one's going to get tossed back. Hopefully it'll come back someday and someone will find it and be all excited about the beautiful piece of sea glass they found. So there are still a few pieces being tossed in at the water's edge. There's a really nice white piece. When that dries up, that's going to be gorgeous. And I'm just walking along here and I see this beautiful piece of green that probably just came in. Oh my, look at that one. I just spied this one. It's like a lime green. This would be a shade of green that I hardly ever see. It's just beautiful. Oh, I love it. Oh, here's another one. Oh, check out that green. It's just beautiful. I'm having a lot of good luck here today at the shore. Finding a lot more sea glass than I thought I would. So I've had a really successful day here sea glass hunting on a windy day along the shore, and I've found some great finds. I really like this piece. It's a bottle top with all those ridges on it. It's fairly well done. It's really cool. I love that one. This is probably my favorite find of the day. It's the half of a bottle bottom and it's really well finished. It's a really old piece. I love that one. And I found one tiny little piece of blue. We don't tend to get a lot of blue here, but even a tiny piece like that is really exciting. And I found some great pottery pieces, few rocks, few shells, and quite a few big pieces. I find sometimes on a rough day like today, the waves and all the roughness will push in some of those big pieces of sea glass, which is really exciting. And quite a bit of brown. And then I have a couple of pieces of, well, just really one really cool green piece that's like a lime green. We don't usually get them that light. So I'm really pleased with my sea glass hunt today. It's been a lot of fun. I hope you've had fun coming along with me. And until next time, happy sea glass hunting.